Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, workers sent home from their jobs and taxis refusing to carry residents are some of the stigma residents in Norwood, St. James are facing. Now it stems from positive cases in the community. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton visited the area today. Vashon Brown reports.
It's been pretty rough for residents of Norwood in St. James since recent COVID-19 surveillance and testing activities took place in the community. The activities followed at least 8 positive COVID-19 test results from a family in the community. The issue now is that residents of the community are being blacklisted by some employers. Acting Medical Officer of Health for St. James, Dr. Francine Phillips Kelly, spoke about the matter at a municipal corporation meeting on Thursday.
It was not a situation where all members of the community or many members of the community had been infected. It just so happened that there was a family, one single family, and several members of that one family.
When we visited the community on Friday, one call center employee told us that he's been sent home because he's from Norwood.
That a 3-week what I pay miss. You see me, sit down after the look. Nothing. So I kind of set away. We have one more youth up top, as I said, we have a couple people around golf and all over. A couple people well are facing. I don't know what, a couple people well. You see me? So I don't like say me one. A couple people well now go out because of this. If you don't have a mother or somebody to give you food, you know easy for the going without money. Oh, you don't feel going without money. If you have no pay then.
At the same time, he says he doesn't entirely blame his employers.
Because they might try to protect for them business at the same time. Because in the era, say my era get contaminated. If me go to me have a possibility of contaminating one, you see St. Catherine situation. With the upper people them get I same thing they might try to prevent. So I can't really blame them, but it's a fight power.
We were also told that some taxi operators are also refusing to carry passengers from Norwood. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton visited the community on Friday.
The community of Norwood, having had a few cases of COVID being imported in the first instance and then spread to a few others, there is a sense in the rest of St. James that Norwood is a no-go zone because everybody have COVID. And the message here and my presence here is to reinforce that message that this is not the case.
Dr. Tufton notes that the government has been able to control the coronavirus in Norwood.
We have been able to remove and secure the persons who are affected and are treating them until they get better. And the rest of the community is in perfect order and can move around, can go to work, can go to the store, can go via the taxi, the public transport system. So I'm appealing to persons, you know, the next COVID victim may be you or someone you know, because COVID is affecting the world. It is curable and persons can get back to normality, and the Norwood community is no exception to any other communities across Jamaica. So my being here is to encourage persons not to discriminate or to stigmatize.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.